abazana b'omutendeki wa Crested Cranes omusya Sherry Ulanda Butis yatwara muri Morocco baruhe empangale Kamiyati na Igaga omutebi hamwe n'omukwasi wa Gora Proskovia Adongo owa timu ya Marunzi. Odongo n'okutunga obukukurga abakwasi ba Gora bandi abarimu Daisy Nakaziro hamwe na Gloria n'amakura aba club ya Kampala Queens nabo abagendera timu eji. Kamiyati na Igaga orukuzana club ya Asubo Ladies Football Club ari timu ejo murundi gwo kubanza kandi yatunga umugisha bwa nyuma ya Fazira ikwapute okurga timu eji ahabwo busta kandi hati naza kwegita abateba bandi abarimu Faizia na Jemba wa Dynamo Moscow ya Russia, Catherine Nagadia wa Kampala Queens, Zaina Nandede wa Kampala Queens, Amina nababi kurgo mu Rhines SS, Joanita Nembabazi wa Simba Queens ya Tanzania hamuna na Lilian Kasubo wa Shima Runzi. Uganda nayo kuritana Morocco omezana ibiro kwegezamu kandi go kubanza guruho kibanza cyo kwezo ku 12 omuri Casablanca kandi gwa muheru guruho ibiro bitano bikoze ku 12 omwaka ogwo omuri Rabat.
And so they're looking forward. I think the last time they really played an international final was Tanzania, and they're looking forward to this friendly. And I think using this friendly against Morocco really is to test certain players with responsibilities within the game. And that is really where you can see if the players have really learned anything in terms of what their roles are within the game. And we've seen that in the practice match yesterday as well. That
keep scanning with good and relax. Ladies, can we just start across the body? Yep, 5 seconds on each side.